It's your Daily Takes news burst for Wednesday, October 14th. Sponsored by Edge Messaging Strategic Communications and Public Relations.
The Tavern League has successfully stopped the Ivers administration's effort to limit crowd size at bars and restaurants to 25% of their building's capacity. Sawyer County Judge John Yackel issued a temporary injunction on the week-old restriction and scheduled a hearing Monday to hear further arguments in the case. The limit, issued by Governor Evers' Department of Health Services Secretary-designee Andrea Palm, had limited the number of customers to 25% of capacity for indoor establishments. The order did not apply to colleges, schools, political meetings, churches, polling locations, or outdoor venues. The administration is expected to appeal the decision. It has also asked that the state legislature meet to vote on the issue. In another election-related case, federal judge William Griesbach rejected a request to bar 5 Wisconsin cities from using private money to help cover the costs of running next month's elections. He ruled that Wisconsin law does not prohibit Milwaukee, Madison, Kenosha, Green Bay, and Racine from taking the funds. An organization called the Wisconsin Voter Alliance sued to stop those cities from spending more than $6 million in grants from the Center for Tech and Civic Life. They argued the grants were focused only on turning out progressive voters and sway the fall election. No word on whether there will be an appeal. Another day of grim statistics from the Wisconsin Department of Health Services. Although not new record one-day highs, in the last 24 hours, Wisconsin has recorded 3,107 new COVID-19 cases, 153 new hospitalizations, and 28 new deaths attributed to the pandemic. Wisconsin's death toll is now 1,536. And Wisconsin did hit one record COVID-related high today. The Wisconsin Hospital Association says the number of COVID-19 patients hospitalized is now 1,017. That's up 58 from this time yesterday. This is putting pressure on several facilities across the state, and is the reason why the state opened their alternative care facility at State Fair Park in West Allis today. The first patients are expected to be admitted to the field hospital tomorrow.
This podcast was sponsored by Edge Messaging. For strategic, political communications at the speed of now, turn to Edge Messaging. 262-290-EDGE. That's 262-290-3343. Or visit edgemessaging.com.